Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set or add your size in StockX. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and click or hover over the profile on the upper right and click on profile. And from here, you just want to scroll down under the profile section and there's going to be a section called size preferences. You can simply go ahead and click on add and you'll be able to add it. So what you'll be able to change is you'll be able to add your shoe size and your apparel size as well. So simply click the edit button and here you can see. So it's going to ask you if you are US or you UK, or if you're male or female, you want to go ahead and choose these. So let's say I want to choose EU and then you want to choose the size. You can go ahead and you can choose a size from here. So let's say if I say 50 or whatever, you can come here, you can say for apparel. So this might be the size. If this is a foot size or shoe size, you can go ahead. So in my case, I will choose, for example, 42.5. And yeah, for the clothes, you can choose if you want it to be, medium, large, or whatever. So I'm going to choose, for example, large. Let's put large. And then, yeah, if you have kids as well, you can maximize this section and choose this for your kid. It's really up to you. But once you're finished, just simply go ahead and click and save. And that's how you really add your size preferences in StockX. That's very convenient, guys, because you will be able to search and it already knows your size as well. Very important and very easy, and I think this is a good feature for you to set up in StockX.